Here's top, she doesn't have ult. Oh my god.
I live. The epic jukes. Oh
No
my god, you're so
no.
good.
No.
Never mind.
She has walked over that pink ward 4 times now. She's still coming top. She's coming top, she's going top.
Yeah. Q.
Dude, oh my god, where is the damage?
All cost.
Wait. Alright, thank you, Cats. But it's...
I killed him! Dude, I'm so good.
Save me.
You're up.
He does no damage. This is-
Yeah.
Like, no damage.
You alright? Oh.
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm coming, I'm coming.
Just had to walk it off.
I said I'm coming. I'm right here. I'm walking through a wall. Go. Fuck. No!
Wait, I can tank. Oh no, he juked it. Double knockout.
Wait.
No, do
Let
not
him tank.
run out. Do not run.
Let him, let him! Yeah.
You fucking. I got you. I got you. No! Wait,
Oh.
I'm fucking dead now.
Oh!
Just kill him! Yeah.
Wait, your champion's insane.
Wait, I don't have relic. Wait, I do. Hold on, come to me. I have relic, you mongoloid!
Yeah, you got me.